Buenos dias from Cabo. This morning, the Bank of Canada cut interest rates by 0.25% for the sixth consecutive rate cut. That brings the total up to 2% since they began in June. In terms of what's to come, there's a big question mark. I mean, this morning's release started with a big disclaimer that all economic forecasts are out the window depending on what happens with this looming trade war. All eyes are going to be on the Cheeto-in-Chief to see what will happen with these threatened tariffs. While the short-term implications would likely be inflationary as the cost of goods would go up, long-term implications would likely not be good. I mean, we're talking potential layoffs, reduced spending, economic slowdown would really amplify recession concerns. Over 70% of Canada's goods and services are sold to the U.S., so big implications here. On the inflation front, December CPI dropped 0.1% to 1.8%. The GST exemption provided a little bit of relief on prices, but it can kind of set things up for the reverse effect on inflation in the coming months. On the jobs front, the December report was a massive one. Canada added 90,000 net new jobs. It was the best jobs print in about 2 years. Increase in the employment rate, decrease in unemployment, overall very positive. In terms of what's to come for 2025, I mean, if you follow the big bank forecast, 5 out of 6 are calling for anywhere from another 0.5% to 1% in rate cuts for the year. Scotia's the only outlier saying that's it for rate cuts, but like we started off talking about, I mean, there's going to be a big question mark this year in terms of what's going to happen with this trade war. Side note, I did want to remind everyone that refinance opportunity I flagged last month for anyone who got a fixed rate mortgage between fall 2023 and spring 2024 still exists today. So if you haven't gotten in touch, please do so. It's not going to last. As soon as lenders start dropping their short-term posted rates, the penalty math is going to blow it, and it might not make sense any longer. So definitely get in touch today. Next meeting's in March. We'll talk to you later.